work out the value of this expression 3 brackets 4x minus 3y when x is 6 and y is 2. So there's the expression. We know that x is 6 when y is 2. So we need to substitute values in instead of x and y. So it's going to be 3. Now in the brackets we've got 4. 4x means 4 times x, and x is 6. So 4 times 6 minus 3 times 2. Now we need to work with this steadily. Brackets means we do the inside first, but we do multiplication before the subtraction. So we get 3 brackets 4 times 6, which is 24, minus 3 times 2, which is 6. Still got to do the brackets first, so that's going to give me 3 times 24 minus 6, which is 18. And then 3 times 18 gives me a final answer of 54. So this has been a video to show you how to substitute numbers into an expression and work out the value. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.